Namaskar. Welcome back to the video lecture on constitutional design. We are making a series of video lectures explaining each point in detail so that you can quickly grasp all the key points in the lesson. Let me present my screen. Welcome to today's topic, the path to constitution. The path to constitution, the way to the constitution. We have discussed in the previous sessions that what was the situation at the time of making of the constitution in 1946. Now let us look at how did they make the constitution? What are the ideas that were taken into consideration? Our national movement was not merely a struggle against a foreign rule. See, while the national movement was going on, we failed many times to defeat the Britishers. If we have a rough idea, how many British people were there in our country? Let us say it in few lakhs, that would be a larger number. Maybe 2 lakhs, or let us put it as 10 lakh people, roughly. How many Indians were there? In 1920 itself, we have nearly 15 crore people. So then, is it very difficult for the 15 crore people to come together and make the people in lakhs to run away from the country? It was very, very difficult for all the Indians to come together. It was not an easy task to unite all the Indians. Different people have different ideologies. India is a land of diversity. So it was not only the struggle against the foreign rule, it was a momentum which was generating unity, the nationalism spirit among all the Indians, to feel that we all are proud Indians. We had a great history in the past. India was a self-sufficient and a rich nation. They used to sell diamonds as vegetables in our country. So that was an example of showing how rich our country is, prosperous our country was. So it was not a struggle only against the foreign rule. It was a struggle to regenerate our country, to transform our society and politics. That was the time when we were regenerating our own inner spirits, that we have to be proud that we are Indians. So as far as back in 1928, when it comes to constitution, Motilal Nehru, the father of Jawaharlal Nehru, a renowned lawyer, and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. In 1931, in 1928, they drafted, a draft means a rough copy. A draft was made how the Indian constitution should look like. What are the ideas that have to be added? How the Indian citizens have to be treated. In 1931, I told you in the previous sessions, India and Pakistan were together during the British rule. So they had a session of Indian National Congress at Karachi in 1931, where they dwelt on how independent India's constitution should look like, how it should look like, how we have to make it, how best we can make it, what all we need to add. Then they came to some common agreement. What all agreed was, let us have universal adult franchise. Article 326 of the Indian Constitution today clearly specifies that we can give right to any individual who is 18 years and above will get the right to vote, not like how it was during the Britishers period. Hardly 1% or 2% people were given right to vote. So, universal adult franchise, which means every Indian should get right to vote. See, while the constitution is being drafted, while they were thinking about the constitution, let us say in 1930s, the world was inspired by French Revolution. But even in France, while the constitution was written, even in France, the French Revolution, which inspired the entire world of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Even in France, the women don't have right to vote. But the makers of the Indian Constitution, in 1931 itself, they decided that in India, we should have right to vote for all the people, all men, all women, all high caste, all low caste, all religious people, all categories of people, irrespective of their age, color, creed. The age is minimum 18 degrees. From 18 degrees, any individual from 18 years, any individual will get the right to vote. And they decided they will give for all men and women. Next, the second important idea was right to freedom and equality. They decided that we will keep in our constitution book firmly that we are free to practice any religion. We are free to do any profession. We are free to get educated. So they want equality spread everywhere in the country. No discrimination basing on color, basing on caste, basing on creed, or basing on language, or basing on religion. They made their minds very clear that they will give universal adult franchise, right to vote to everyone, and right to freedom and equality for every individual of the nation. And also, they are keen in protecting the rights of the minorities. They want the minority rights to be protected very carefully. No minority should feel that they are neglected. So the makers of the Indian Constitution were very firm in certain ideas. They are very clear. So the basic values were all accepted by everybody in the Constituent Assembly, met to deliberately discuss and then came up with the path to the Constitution and drafted the Constitution. So we should proudly say our Constitution is a wonderful Constitution which guarantees basic rights to everybody. So today we learned the path of the Constitution, or the path to the Constitution, where it was initially difficult to get the national consensus. So it was not only a struggle against the foreign rule, but to build unity among all the Indians, which was lacking. Then in 1928 itself, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted the Constitution, and which was accepted in 1931 at the Karachi session. So they gave the main ideas. What they looked upon is that universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, and also right to minorities have to be protected. All the members of the Constituent Assembly agreed the basic values and met deliberately. In the Constituent Assembly meetings, they discussed thoroughly and they came up with one of the finest constitutions in the world. That's all we have in today's session. Stay tuned. We'll catch you later in the next session. Please do comment below, give your feedback, which will help us to grow and improve the way of teaching. Thank you.